This video will walk you through the general features of the SFM. For the following videos on setting up and reporting using the Monitor system, we will use the Sendai Framework Monitor training page. The training page is identical to the Sendai Monitor, except for this yellow band that indicates that you are in the training platform. If you would like to use the training page to follow along the tutorials, please contact your National Sendai Framework focal point for login details. If you are the designated Sendai Framework focal point for your country, you would have received an email invitation from UNDRR to join the Sendai Framework Monitor system. The focal point will often take on the role of coordinator of the country's data entry in the Monitor system. The link from the email will grant you access to the system after creating a password and providing some personal information. You can then grant access to other people from different institutions. Refer to the next video, adding and assigning responsibilities to users and institutions, for more information. Once you log into the Monitor, you will see this homepage with the current status of reporting against the global targets. It indicates progress of the country for the year. The icon to the very right of the top menu links to related pages, and next to it is the Logout button. The mail icon will notify you of any correspondence from UNDRR or other users from your country. Click on this drop-down to change your language to any of the 6 official UN languages. When you enter data into the Monitor system, values are saved automatically without the need for a Save button. The information icon for each indicator will give you additional information. The SDG icon means that data for this indicator is shared with SDG reporting. If you are a contributor and have questions on data entry, or for example, need the coordinator to add a disaggregation category, you can send a public message to your country's users with this comment button. This message will be visible when you click the mail icon on the top menu. Now that you have an understanding of the general features of the Monitor, we will move on to setup of the system.